start again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, welcome back in our new and exciting video. So today we'll see how you can draw ellipse, how you can draw ellipses, how to draw ellipses using your whole arm and without using any tools. So we'll see how you can draw those. So first thing you need to do is avoid drawing with the wrist. So you don't have to draw like this ellipse, this kind of ellipse. So you have to use your whole arm, make your hands more free so that your ellipse will look so confident and you will get the perfect stroke. So first of all you need to make your hands free. You'll get multiple strokes, but that's okay. In the beginning you can go likewise, you can get multiple strokes, and in that there will be one ellipse which is going to be perfect. So you have to just practice those such kind of things. Also you can consider it as like you have to draw one minor axis and then draw it accordingly. Use the minor axis to draw small ellipses, bigger ellipses according to your preference. Once you are done practicing all those rough ellipses, you can go and try for the single stroke ellipse. Like you have to rotate your hand and then go with one. Oh, it's not like perfect. It's okay. We'll try again. So you can go like this and yeah, it's looking a good ellipse. You can see how confident the stroke looks like and how consistent the stroke is. So just in the beginning you have to practice all those ellipses. You just have to fill whole paper with the ellipses. You can see 20 sheets, 60 sheets, whatever is possible for you, you can do it. Just fill your sheet with the ellipses. Also, to make it more easier, you can also make various patterns, like you can draw lines. This will be a minor axis. Draw one ellipse of any measure you want. Then again you can draw the lines. Yeah, and that now you can proceed ahead like drawing ellipses inside this area. Practice making ellipses inside this area. You will get multiple strokes, but that's okay. Once you are done, you can again go with various patterns, like this is one, and then the another line will be like this and this. Then you can also start drawing ellipses in this. You can go as much bigger as you can. You can see how the ellipses are getting better and better. You just have to fill the whole sheet with this. For easy and to get good at it, you have to practice like ellipses in the closed structure, like how I've shown here. You have to mark 3 lines and then make an ellipse inside those 3 lines. Also you can join however you want to give it a form. You can see our ellipses are converted in some object. So you can try this. First of all you need to do the practice for the ellipses. Just you have to use your whole arm I know in the start your ellipses are not going to come perfect, but that's okay. You can see you can go with various patterns that you want to draw as many ellipses as you can. And then these ellipses will give you some sort of shapes or figures. You can observe here how I have filled my sheet with various circles and ellipses and then converted those ellipses and circles into an object. How I have cut it down, how much you have to, one thing you have to keep in mind that you have to make your sheet messy enough. Like it should be filled with the ellipses and circles overall. It will help you build your sketching skills. So you have to fill the sheet. You have to practice it daily. Now you can observe how I have given one line here and then made ellipses in between those lines and then converted it into some kind of form or an object. Similarly here how I have drawn a minor axis and then two lines on the either side and then made ellipses in between them. So when you do all these things, it will help you build your sketching skills and you can draw proper ellipses. You can also try this, like you can draw one minor axis, one horizontal axis, like in a construction manner. If you want to draw, then how you can draw, you have to draw a minor axis and then a horizontal axis, and then you have to mark one point here, one here, and one for the width, how much you want, and then connect all those. You can connect like this, first this arc, then this, then this, then this, or you can go like how I showed you using the free hands, but you have to stay in this boundary. You don't have to exceed. You can see how my ellipse has met all the 4 points. So you have got a perfect ellipse. Inside this messy ellipses, you have got one perfect ellipse, and that's what you all need. Yeah, so this is how you can draw ellipses. The main thing is practice. Practice is everything that you need and which will help you develop your skills. So yeah, I hope you have got something from this video. If yes, give it a like and share so that someone gets the benefit. Yeah, so that's it. See you in our next video. Thanks for making this fun. Thanks for watching.